Yo, good morning guys. This is gonna be a little different. So today I woke up, drove to my barber school event, and it ended up getting canceled. So you know what that means. Came straight to the thrift store. Opens at 9, and now I have a full day all to myself. So today I wanted to change it up and do something a little bit different. I wanted to do a challenge. So today is going to be the open to close thrift store challenge. I'm gonna see how much stuff I can find in one day. See how much stuff I can find in one day from open to close. Because if you're a thrifter, you know they come out with new stuff like throughout the day, whether it's a Goodwill, Salvation Army, or a mom and pop thrift store. So yeah, that's gonna be the challenge. Hopefully I found some God, I can't talk today, boy. Hopefully I found some fire. Open to close, so it's gonna be 9 to 5. It's a long day, so I'm gonna have to eat, like take a break and stuff, come back in, jump back out, come back in. But yeah, enough talking. Let's jump in to the open to close 24-hour thrift store challenge. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Let's go. Just found this vintage starter. Dead stock wood tags. Probably gonna pick it up. Mighty Ducks and the matching hat. I've never seen this one before. So hard. Also got this Looney Tunes bomber, taxing no 25, so I'm probably gonna pass on it. Yo, fake me out. Thought it was a Fendi bag. They got this Michael Jordan bar right here by Wilson, indoor outdoor. These don't go for too much, but I thought it was something. Bootleg Nike hat. It's like yellow. Got this REI jacket. Got a vintage look to it. Alright y'all, figured since I have a little bit of time while I'm waiting for stuff to come out, this is the life, man. This is the thrifting life. You just gotta be patient and things will come, because if you really think about it, like there's so many items in the world that constantly come out in different thrift stores. It's all luck. You just gotta be there when it comes out, and you gotta just, I don't know why my arms are there, but you just gotta be there when it comes out, and the more you go, obviously the higher your chances are of finding stuff. So that's my one tip for y'all. Y'all just gotta grind, be patient, and work hard to get the fire. Got this blue polo duffel right here, the brown leather. Got some Superstars, black, some Roshis. What else they got? Got some Forces right here in the gray. They're actually not too bad. What did I tell you? Oh my god. Vintage Tommy Hilfiger, you see the 85? And they're only asking for $6. Finally came across this piece, man. Jeez. Let's go, boy. Look at the detail work, man. Oh my god. It's banger season, baby. It's not a name brand, it just says Ultimate Torso Packs. But the colorway is crazy. It's a fanny pack, like a super big one. I'm for sure gonna pick this up. I'm gonna take this patch off and I'll probably like screen print like a Nike logo on here. Oh my god, that'd be so fire. Probably gonna pick this up. We got these right here in the little kids section. Black and pink Air Forces. Kanye West? Full suit? They got this other Mighty Ducks, like a jersey. No tag though, no name brand. Oh, it's actually CCM down there. Oh, it's actually brand new tags. I just realized it. Okay. It's beat though. It's got some rips and it's actually got a lot of stains. Probably gonna pass. I got the fire one already. Yo, so I'm back in here. I just finished eating at Costco. Your boy got a little pizza. There's a vintage Guess denim jacket for $35. I'm gonna cop it still, even though it's taxed a little bit, because this piece is so fire. Just the way that like the denim is actually set up, like the buttons are crazy. And then it's got the patchwork right here. It's got some buckles on it on the sides. No cuffs. Jacket looks crazy. The details are fire. So Another scoop for the day. Yo, look at this bootleg MCM backpack in the all white. The leather actually doesn't feel too bad, but crazy just to see it. They're asking for $20. Probably gonna pass on this. Probably gonna pass. Okay. Got a couple balls here. I think there was a. Oops. They got this Shaq basketball right here. Front and back print. I don't want it, baby. They got these Asics right here. No laces. One pink. They got this Homer Simpson mug. Alright, just checking in with y'all. Your boy's still in this thing. It's about 3 o'clock right now. So I got about 2 more hours left. Just the grind, baby. Gotta work to get the fire. Let's go. Yo, this Sonic the Hedgehog bed sheet is pretty cool. Crazy. We got this women's polo jeans for $8, size small. Probably gonna leave it. It's just to spell out all the way across the arms, chest, and back. Not gonna be a scope. Dude, I just found this Fendi pair of sunglasses, actually just like the ones I have, but in black. I have them in brown. For sure, scooping these. They got these kids low, Jordan 11s. Super dirty. Alright, so let's get into it. I just want to show you guys everything I picked up today. Let me open up the flame, baby. See that vintage Guess on the inside, size medium. So fire. I cannot wait to wear this. Vintage starter, new with tags, Mighty Ducks hockey jersey, so fire. This one right here finally came across it. Tommy 85 basketball jersey. You see the tags right there. This one is tagged the size large, but it's more like a medium. And it's got the 85 on the back. The Hill figure. And it says Tommy Sport right there on the back of the neck. This one right here, as I explained, I only picked it up because the colorway was way too crazy to pass up on. I'm literally just gonna take off this patch right here. I'm gonna take off the stitching, and then I'm gonna screen print a Nike logo on here. It's gonna look so hard. And then right here, I found a vintage Mighty Ducks snapback. It's got the logo right there. And the crazy thing about this one, if you guys could see it, I didn't realize it till I looked at the tag. Hold on. It's actually a limited edition, like 1 of 1,000. Right there you can see it says 1 of, and then it says 1,000, then limited edition. That's what it says under there. So I'm not sure how much this goes for, but I've never seen this one. So this might go to the homie who's a Mighty Ducks fan, and the jersey, so we'll see. But for me, the cop of the day was the Fendi sunglasses with the case. Crazy, yo. Has the case right there. And then when you open them up, I did pay $40. It was a little steep, but these go for like $200 to $300. So I couldn't pass it up. Let me give you guys a better look at it. See right there, $39, Fendi. Oh my God, so fire, and it's in such good condition. Let's go, boy! Just wanted to show you guys this one right here. This is actually the pair that I own already. And these are actually my mom's. When she was younger, she used to rock these. She passed it down to your boy. So you know I had to go with the black one too? Yo, your boy is back. Had to let the hair out, let it air out a little bit. As you guys saw, the day turned out pretty well, so I'm really happy that I did this. This was a very tiring day for me. I was literally in the thrift store, as I said, from 9 to 5. Basically, the reason why I did this is because I wanted to challenge myself to see what I could find if I stayed in just one store the whole day, instead of me going like all around like I usually do. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet. Probably like open to close challenge, trip to thrift open to close challenge, or something like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's time for me to relax. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good?